My name is Javishan. I have my registration number is UY15CA059. Today I'm going to explain about section number 6 operator overloading. Our aim is to write a C++ program to create a class date, except to validate the format dd and implement the following operation by overloading the following operators plus and minus. After every operation, display the result by overloading the operator. Number of dates is equal to d1 minus d2, and where d1 and d2 are the date objects and d1 is greater than or equal to d2 and number of days is an integer, where d2 is equal to d1 minus number of days, where d1 is a date object and number of days is an integer. Now we'll proceed to the coding. Hash include array stream the header file using names with std. Now we'll declare a global variable where c is equal to 0, which is of integer type, and an integer array of size 12, where we have assigned the values uh, of each month, like for January 31 days, for February 28 31. These are the date, and we'll create a class of date where we have members day, month, and year, which all are integer type. Now we have the uh, get data function where we uh, ask the user to enter the date, where it is stored in the day, and we ask the user to enter the month, where the month data will be stored in the month, and enter the year, and the data will be stored in the year. And now we'll use the operator where d is used as a parameter, where we declare month2 is equals to d dot get m, and then we'll use as the year 2 is equals to year d dot get y, and we'll assign some variables of integer type like I, Y, M, DM, EM, and J, where we'll assign y is equals to year minus year 2. Then we'll use a if condition where if y is equals to 0, the month m is equals to month minus month 2, where m will assign m is equals to m plus 1, where the m will be incremented. And else if y is equals to 1, then we'll assign dm is equals to 12 minus month 2, where m we'll assign m is equals to dm plus month plus 1. Else if the y is greater than equal to 2 and the month of first year is greater than the month of second year, then we'll assign em of 12 into y, and dm will assign us 12 minus month of 2 second year, where we'll assign m is equals to em plus dm plus month plus 1. Else if y is greater than equal to 2, we'll assign em is equals to 12 into y minus 1, where we'll assign dm as 12 minus the month of the second year. Then we'll assign m is equals to em plus dm plus month plus 1. Then we'll use a for loop where j is equals to 1 and j less than equal to m minus 2. Then we'll increment the j. Then we'll use another for loop where I is assigned as day 2, and it will be in the integer array till month 2, where we'll increment the I. Then we'll assign c plus is equals to 1. After the month2 plus is equals to 1, we'll give a if condition where month2 is greater than equal to 2, then the month2 will be assigned to 0 and day 2 will be assigned to 1, and the c will be added up with day to and minus 1, and we'll return the c. Then we'll use the get y function, which is of integer type. Then we'll return the year, and get d function, which is of integer type, then we'll return day. and getM function will return the month. Then we'll come to the main method where date will be assigned as d1 and d2. Then we'll have the number of days which is declared and which is of integer type. Then we'll have d1 into the get data function and d2 into get data function. This will display the d1 and d2, and the number of days will be displaying by the d2 minus d1. Then we print the number of days in between them are by displaying the data of number of days. Now we'll see the output. Enter date will enter the first date of d1 22 3 2003. Then we'll enter the second date d2 22 1 2005. Now the d2 minus d1 is assigned here, and we'll get the output as 671 days between the two dates. Now thank you for watching this video.